My name is John Sheldon A. Olivar from the section of G2C, Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. So today, let's talk about what is navigational chart. So it states from the PowerPoint, navigation are essential tools for safe and efficient travel on water, providing detailed information about waterways and ocean. So it means navigational chart is very valuable, especially if you're navigating in unfamiliar waterways, as it ensures safe and efficient travel, as it helps to guide your voyage. Second is, it represents part of the spherical Earth on a plane surface. So it explains, navigational chart represents the Earth on a flat surface, flat map. So it is more easier to navigate that way. So a lot of explorer, all of the explorer use a flat map because it's easier to navigate that way. So the last one is, it shows the water depth, the shoreline of an adjacent land, topographic features, aids of navigation, and other navigational information. So it means that the navigational chart holds information that is beneficial to both the crew and the maritime world. So my other group mates are going to explain the part of the navigational chart.
Hi sir, good afternoon. My name is Clarkent M. Borneo. So today sir, I will explain about general chart and coastal chart. So the first that I will explain sir is general chart. The general chart, this chart cover very large areas, often encompassing entire ocean, regions, or large sections of coastline. They provide a general overview of the area, showing major features but least detail. They are useful for planning long voyages but not for detailed navigation. So ang general chart day sir is cover siya og dako kayo nga area nga of the encompass entire oceans or entire regions or sections sa coastline. So ang general chart po sir is provide siya og general overview sa sea, show siya mga major nga mga features pero dili kayo siya detail og mga gipakita. So general chart, ang general chart is very useful for mga plano about long voyages, pero dili siya kaayo sa gamit sa for detailed navigation. So right now I will explain about coastal chart. So coastal chart, these charts cover coastal areas providing more detail. These show coastal features, water depths, navigational aids, and hazards to navigation. They use for coastal navigation and are a middle of the ground in scale between general and harbor charts. So ang coastal chart day sir, ang coastal chart is cover siya og mga coastal areas nga provide or more details or more mga information about sa nakabiran niya nga area. Show siya og kanang coastal features about water depths, navigational aids, and mga hazards sa navigation. Gamit kayo siya sir about sa coastal navigation o nasa siya sa tunga-tunga sa or middle in the ground in scale between sa general and harbor charts.
C. Harbor chart. This chart provide highly detailed information about a specific harbor or port. So, ang harbor chart po daw sir kay usa sa mga detalyado nga mapa sa usa ka pantalan o port. They show depths, obstructions, navigational aids, buoys, lights, etc. and often includes details about docks, piers, and other harbor facilities. So kuan po daw, kini po daw ang nagpakita sa kalawmon sa tubig, mga babag or obstructions o sa mga gamit sa pag-navigate sama sa mga buya o suga. Kasagaran daw apil usab ang mga impormasyon bahin sa mga pantalan, piers o other harbor facilities, and they are used for navigating within the harbor itself. Ginagamit daw kini aron sa hapsay nga pag-navigate bitaw sulod sa pantalan mismo. The scale is large, meaning a small distance from the chart represent a small distance on the ground. So pasabot ang sukod daw or scale ani kay large or dako, nga nagpasabot nga ang gamay nga distansya sa chart kay gamay po daw ang actual nga lokasyon or sa ground.
D. Sailing chart. Number 1. These charts cover larger areas than harbor charts, typically coastal region and offshore areas, suitable for sailing vessels. Explanation. Unlike harbor charts which focus on small detailed areas like ports and marinas, sailing charts cover wider coastal and offshore regions. This makes them useful for planning longer voyage. Number 2. They show water depths, hazards to navigation like rocks, shoals, and etc. Navigational age and other relevant information for sailing. Number 3. The scale is smaller than harbor chart but larger than general charts. Explanation kay the scale of the sailing chart is larger than a general chart which covers vast ocean areas but smaller than a harbor chart. Detailed views of small areas. This balance make it ideal for coastal navigation. Ang purpose sa sailing chart kay it helps sailors plot courses and avoid dangers, and provides important safety and information for navigating coastal and offshore waters.
Nautical chart is a digital representation of nautical chart used for navigation. It is the database containing detailed information about a specific area of water. It includes depth, navigation aids, shipping routes, and coastline. They offer a significant improvement in safety, efficiency, and situational awareness. So, electronic chart di ay kay digital representation. So, naghatag siya information through computer or other kind of digital equipment. So, kani po siya detailed kay ang information specific area of water unsa ka dakag area agilawmon, navigation aids, shipping routes ilahang agianan, ilahang ruta, and coastline. So nag-offer po sila kanang significant improvement in safety sa barko and situational awareness. So aware sila aware sila sa palibot sa ship. Conclusion: navigational chart, both traditional and electronic, have been instrumental in shaping the maritime world, contributing significantly to safety, efficiency, and technological advancement. As technology continues to evolve, the role of charts in maritime navigation will only become more critical, ensuring safe, efficient, and sustainable maritime operations for the future. So, ang navigational charts day, both traditional and electronic, kay nag-shape ni siya sa maritime world. Nag-contribute ni siya og sa safety sa barko and also the crew of the ship, efficiency, and technological advancement, so advance na ang ilahang technology. So og mag-continue pa og evolve ang navigational chart, mas mo critical ba gyud og mas ma-ensure ag safe, mas efficient, and mas sustainable pa ang maritime operation for the future. Thank you.